Audra Lambert here, and welcome to my new listing at 28422 Via Mondano in San Juan Capistrano. This property resides behind the private gated community of San Juan Hills Estates. This property is a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath. There is a loft upstairs, right under 3,500 square foot. What I love most about the property is it's completely remodeled. You have an upgraded kitchen, the bathrooms have been remodeled with the finest finishes. In your very backyard, you get to enjoy the rolling hills of San Juan Capistrano. This is a pool lot. It's absolutely remarkable. You're gonna love this one. Don't miss it.